Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. I'd like to wish everyone out there happy holidays. I appreciate you subscribing to my channel. I truly do. Also too, if you could share my YouTube channel on social media, Facebook, the forums, I would appreciate that. And also too, I'd like to mention, I know sometimes I kind of get off topic from the GMRS type of category. I apologize for that, but don't worry, we're swinging back around to those topics here. I have a lot of video ideas. I have some more project ideas. Matter of fact, as you may know, that I started a solar power video series. I'm just waiting for parts, so hopefully those will come in soon, so I can get back to finishing that up. But I have lots of ideas, so just be patient with me. I might veer off a little bit here and there, but don't worry, we'll be getting back to the topic. Also, too, I want to mention my forum. Now, the reason why I started a forum is to try to get all the information in one spot. So if you do have any GMRS questions, I would appreciate it if you post it on the forum, because that's going to help gather all the information, like I said, into one area and not have it in all the descriptions, or not have it all in the comments in all my videos. Now, it's free to register, so don't worry. You can register for free. You can post questions for free. I know some people don't like registering. It's kind of a pain to have to log in and all that, but I have to do that because if I don't, I get hit with so much ads that it's just so much spam. It's just unbelievable. I get it now. You may not even notice it, so I try to clean up as fast as it gets posted. But that's why I have to have it. You have to register to post questions and whatnot. So, and like I said, it's free. It doesn't cost anything. Most people don't have a problem registering. If you do have a problem, shoot me an email. I'll give you a temporary password. We'll get you be able to register. I'm not sure why some of these people have problems. I don't know if it's the anti-spam message that you have to type as you're registering. That can be kind of hard to read sometimes. Maybe that might be the case, or they're trying to do it on a phone. I think sometimes I had one person tell me, oh, it was getting cut off. So maybe that might be part of the issue. But for the most part, no, I don't get that many emails with people having problems registering. But if you do, shoot me an email. I'll post my email address in the description below. Let's see, what other news do I have? I think that is about it. Yeah, I think that's about it. Now, I'm going to post a link here to John Lennon. So this is Christmas. I was going to have it play after I was done talking. But then I started to think, well, I don't know, that might be a copyright strike or something. YouTube's kind of picky on that. So I'm going to post a link, on there, so you can go ahead and click on that, enjoy a little John Lennon. Again, happy holidays. I appreciate you subscribing. Any questions or comments or any video ideas, I'm open. I'm also open to that. Post that in the description or in the comments below. Now, of course, depending on what type of video idea you may have, as long as I have the equipment to do it, if it requires equipment, I will be glad to go ahead and do a video to help answer any possible questions. But at any rate, happy holidays. Thank you. Please subscribe. Have a good day.